Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your flip chart to review for Chapter 9 test on statistics. Okay, so there are 4 pieces of paper you should have. You have a white sheet, blank except for boxes to paste things into. You have your vocabulary sheet in yellow. You have your definitions on the green sheet. And you have examples on the purple sheet. Okay, so let's get started. So the first step, you want to take your white sheet, face up like this, just fold it in half along that black line, best you can. Okay. Then, I'm going to open that up and just fold each half in towards the middle. Just like that. Okay. All right. So, got it all folded, and we're good. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take each little flap here and just cut it like this. Okay. So now you have something that flips for your flip chart. And you want to do that to all these sides. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video here. Well, you want first, I want to make sure you do this on both sides. You want to do this side too. So I'll do one of those. And you're going to do that all the way down. So I'm just going to pause the video here so you don't have to watch me do this the whole time. Okay, so if you cut all of the flaps, it should look something like this, so each piece folds up. And the idea is, on this front flap, we're going to paste each vocabulary word. Okay. Then, on the inside, we'll have the definitions and examples. We'll get to that a little bit later. So the next step you want to do is cut out all your definitions, cut out all the boxes. So you're going to cut out your definitions, so you can make each of them just their own little box. Make sure you're recycling your paper as you go so it doesn't get too messy. So you're going to do that for these sheets and these sheets. Okay, so that's going to be a little bit of a process. All right, so take some time to do that. A good tip for cutting these is to cut this box out. Once you've done that, just cut here, 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 make little pairs, and then cut them all at the ends. We'll see. Show you what I'm talking about in case that's not clear. And if you line them all up like that, so I got them all stacked, now you can just do one cut, and you got all of them cut. Oops. Okay. What we're going to do, take our flip chart, take our glue. We're going to find a vocabulary term. Right? You might want to do this in some kind of order. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to put, why not just range first? Right? That's one of the first things we talked about. Glue that. Okay. I'm going to stick that up top here. Okay. Now, on the inside, I'm going to put 2 things. First thing, I'm going to open up. Here I'm going to put the definition. So that's my green one. So I'm going to look for the definition of range. Okay, not that one. Okay, let's look. There's a difference between the least and greatest and least values. Shows the variance of the data. Okay, so there's my definition for range. So I'm going to glue that. All right, like that. Okay, so I've got my definition, so I can study by just saying, oh, range, let me see if I know what that is. The largest minus the smallest. There you go. Basically says that. Now, also you have these purple examples. So you look for the example of range. Oh, conveniently, second thing I picked. So we have the extreme values. There's 70 and 82, and you subtract them, right? Greatest minus smallest. I'm going to glue that. My example. And I'm just going to put that on the inside here. Okay. All right. So now we have one full tab completed. Okay. And you're just going to do that with the rest of the tabs, and I'll show you in just a few seconds, because I'm going to pause the video here, what this is going to look like at the end. Okay, so now I have my completed flip chart. All right. Open up any term. So I have, for example, 5-point summary consists of first, second, and third quartiles and lower and upper extreme. And there's an example over there. Okay. You might want to turn this over when you're done with it. Let me open this up first so you see what it really looks like inside. Okay, so everything has their own thing. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over. Make sure it's flat. And just press it down a little bit. Okay. And now it's complete. Okay, so I'll have this example in the back of the room for a reference if you're unsure where some of these definitions or examples go. And when you're finished, you can put that in your folder.